So, Ember tutorial is finally here. I know it's been a few days since I posted the flight test. I made a few minor modifications. I don't think it actually did anything, it just made it look cooler. But yeah, it just looks so awesome. And I'm very happy with how it came out. It flies really well too. You can check out how it flies right here. But you can really put a lot of oomph into it. It's not that hard to fold. If you're an experienced jet folder, it's a walk in the park. I wouldn't recommend this if this is your first time folding a jet. I'll leave a link down in the description below to a really easy jet that can get you started with jet folding. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm using square paper here. Recommend 8.5 by 8.5 or something around that. I'm just gonna go from corner to corner, like so. Okay, so I want this part here to be the same size as this part here. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just gonna let's determine the size of the pin. And really, I guess kind of maybe the overall shape. And just try to eyeball it the best you can. And once when it creates down, you can check by folding it right along this edge. It should be like something close to the center, like that. Like you can leave a few millimeters off and it'll be fine. And just open it up like that. And I'm just gonna fold down and line it up with this part here. So this part lines up with that. Crease gently here so you don't rip. If this part like kind of gets like that, you can just kind of open it up a little bit and pop it out. And you want to make sure this is accurate as possible, and just make an crease that passes right through that point right there. Looks good. Okay, and I'm gonna fold along this existing crease here, make a crease on the top too. Almost forgot how to fold my own planner. Okay, then I'm gonna instead of reverse fold this, but you're gonna wanna fold it into this flap here. So you're gonna wanna open it up like that, open that flap, and then just fold back that crease, and then fold down. You should get that. And it's pretty easy, but it's a little hard to understand what's happening if I don't explain it. Make sure that's a nice sharp point down there. Let's fit bubbles here a little. Try not to let it pass the center crease. Might want to do that a little. Inside reverse folding here. It's going to be a little difficult because there's another layer here. Little wrinkle there. Doesn't really matter actually. You might want to leave a little gap because we're going to be folding over again. And you can brace your fingernail against this edge to help control it. My reference for folding the wings is this edge right there. So you can probably see it on top of the, well, below this layer here. But if you need to, you can just make a crease as a reference. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna hold this down so you make a crease right along where the cockpit ends. I'll grab both of these layers, just fold it along this edge here. Or, actually, until you get to right down to that point right there. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna shed fold. Just push down this part. Fold the lower part in half. I probably should have folded the wings first, but it's fine. It's not lined up good. Yeah, you want to make sure your wings are lined up so it doesn't spin. I'm gonna make a crease right along this edge if you haven't already. Some people like to fold their wings before jet folding. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out, and you really can't see on camera, but there should be tiny crease. I mean, it's right there, I believe. It's a little hard to see, but if you fold the tail fin, kind of just want to, that's from the left side. You just want to imagine it, that line extending along this part here. So it should be about that big. Gonna crease that. Okay, I'm gonna lay this down like so. I'm gonna open this up and fold this in here. Fold down like so. Make sure it's tightly creased. And it helps to hold on to this part here while you do this step. But you're gonna take the flap that is farthest from the wing. So this flap here, gonna fold it inside of this pocket here. Have a little trouble grabbing it. There we go. I'm just gonna fold that all the way inside there. It should help with the lock. Maybe the same here. Okay, then you're gonna take this edge to that edge right there. Sorry, no, this edge here. Do it carefully too so you don't rip it. Do the same here. All depends, it's pretty judgmental. Just making about that big, but make sure it's parallel to this edge. It's not symmetrical. Okay, mold these up. You can make the tail fin look like this if you want. All you have to do is just fold it like so. There's really no reference to this. You want to fold it like that, and inside reverse fold, and then fold the little part that sticks out in. I'm not gonna do that. And there you have finished playing. If you have any comments, make sure you, if you have any questions about this plane, make sure you comment down below, and I'll try my best to answer your questions. Hope this video has earned your subscription, and I'll see you next time.